Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to post your template on CapCut 2025. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up CapCut on your mobile device. Over here, create a new edit by starting a new project. After that, make sure to add your own effects, transitions, or audios to confirm it's your original edited video. Then, once you are done with the editing, tap on the export icon at the upper right side of your screen. After that, wait for the video to export. Then, you will see different sharing options like Instagram, Facebook, Stories, and TikTok. Over here, to post or share your template, you need to have the Pro feature on CapCut. After that, if you are a Pro user, you will see a Share as Template button just below the Share to TikTok button. Then tap on the Share as Template button. So that's basically how you can post your template on CapCut. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.